Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to stop Skype from starting automatically in Windows 10. Unfortunately, when you install Skype, it defaults to launching automatically with Windows 10 and running in the background. If you have a powerful enough computer, this may not be an issue. But if you find your system is bogging down or always seems to suffer from high CPU usage, you'll want to look at stopping Skype from starting automatically when you launch Windows 10. We will show you two ways how to do it. Open Skype. Click on the three dots at the top of the right side panel. Choose Settings from the list. A new window will open. Select General from the left side list. Look for the Startup and Close block. Go to Automatically Start Skype. If you want to enable the option, turn the switch on. If you want to disable the option, turn the switch off. You can adjust the settings also through Windows Settings. Click on the Windows menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the gear icon to open the settings window. Go to Privacy Settings. Scroll down through the left side list. Click on Background Apps. Scroll down through the list on the right side of the screen. Look for Skype. If you want to enable the option, turn the switch on. If you want to disable the option, turn the switch off. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!